How can you cite me in contempt if I am just concerned sa pera ng bayan? This actually revealed a very, very nonchalant attitude of our House of the members of the House of Representatives. Wala kayong pakialam sa pera namin. As a private citizen, ang bala na lang natin, boses natin. And they want that taken away from us, from me. Of course, you have all the resources. There is a level playing field. Doon tayo sa pantay ang laban. Hindi yung duduru-duruin nyo kami dyan, gagamitin nyo yung privilege ninyo, aabusuhin ninyo, gamit ang pera ng bayan kung saan kami rin ang nagpapasweldo sa inyo. Good afternoon. My name is Joey Cruz, also known as Joie de Vive. Yeah, French name. Ayan. There are several revelations today, and it confirms our hunches that the goal of the representative, the joint committee that handled the committee hearing, calling us to appear, to share our knowledge to share our knowledge on matters that were raised by Rep. Barbers last December 4 and December 16. Saying that there are makapili vloggers, narco vloggers, and vloggers being paid by POGO operators. On December 16, Rep. Barbers called on law enforcement groups to investigate malicious vloggers and trolls and to act on any cyber crime that they would see. It is very clear. If is to silence us, put us in jail, or if not, cite us in contempt, and God knows gaano kami katagal ilalagak dyan sa facility ng HOR. Worse, baka dalhin kami sa facility ng regular jail. And that is something that I cannot accept. Unang-una, we are common citizens, but we are not stupid. Power tripper, the House of Representative members in that committee, including Rep. Benny Abante, who, by the way, wanted to, open the conversation of me being put in contempt, being cited in contempt, merely because I mentioned that I have no knowledge about being a paid vlogger by drug money or POGO operators. Nothing to share. And if I have nothing to share, I am of no use to whatever goal that you wanted to achieve in that committee. How can you cite me in contempt if I am just concerned sa pera ng bayan? This actually revealed a very, very nonchalant attitude of our House of the members of the House of Representatives. Wala kayong pakialam sa pera namin. Imbes na hinahanap nyo kung sinong naglagay nag-fill in ng blanco sa bicameral committee para magkaalaman tayo dito kung paano nyo binuo yung 2025 national budget, ang pinagkakaabala namin. Is that fair? Now, again, it's very clear. This is harassment. This is to silence us. This is really to make us feel intimidated and for us not to talk about public issues. And it can't happen. As a private citizen, ang bala na lang natin, boses natin. And they want that taken away from us, from me. Of course, you have all the resources. What do I have? Me and my mother. And you're going to use your privileges in the House of Representatives tatakutin ang taong kagaya ko? Now, ordinarily, I know that, it's easier to fold. It's easier to choose that route. But we realize, yung mga taong kasama ko dito, we realize that if we are going to fold, they are going to do what they are doing to everyone. Why? Because they have done this to retired generals, to men in uniform in active service, to the Vice President of the Philippines, to us vloggers, and they are not going to stop unless we stand up and confront this in the proper forum. So that is why we decided to bring this in a place where there is a level playing field. Doon tayo sa pantay ang laban. Hindi yung duduru-duruin nyo kami dyan, gagamitin nyo yung privilege ninyo, aabusuhin ninyo, gamit ang pera ng bayan kung saan kami rin ang nagpapasweldo sa inyo. It can't continue like this. Hindi po pwedeng ganon. Someone has to say something. And we were put in an opportunity to react. And sabi ko nga po kanina, pinag-isipan po namin ito. Alam po namin na hindi ito madali. But when an opportunity like this happens, it's very important to do the right thing. And I hope a lot of you will also protect your freedom. Every single Filipino should know the abuses of some of the members of the House of Representatives. Every single Filipino should know how the budget, taxes na pinaghihirapan natin araw-araw, pinagtatrabuho ng tama at patas, ay binababoy dyan sa Kongreso. And these are the things that we should all talk about, discuss, and demand transparency and accountability from the people who call shots. Thank you.